how you roll it out is extremely important. The value is going to come from how you engage your employees for them to understand what's happening. You know, the worst thing you could do is roll it out and tell your employees we're tracking what you're doing, because that's an erosion of trust. And culture, I think, is everything for us. We stand very strong on what our culture is. We want not just happy employees, we want engaged employees, and we want our employees to have that transport to our clients. So the way you roll it out, I think, is extremely important, and the benefit that if you get an engaged group from 4 weeks in, you're going to see very large increases in your production performance, even your employees. And, because employees talk, they know someone who's not carrying their weight. They're looking at their KPIs. They're saying nothing's being done. And what they started seeing is we start seeing more of a competition towards people getting to the top, which I think is very healthy for an organization. So I think the value of the system is way beyond the dollars that you contribute for it. And look, I'm a measurement of ROI on everything we do. It's the first thing I ask Jessica: what is it going to cost and what benefits is going to produce?